Alright guys, so a few days ago I posted my purple crunch recipe. It's a cabbage slaw, purple cabbage slaw with cilantro and lime. Goes really good on seafood tacos. So I figured this would be a good time to do my fish taco sauce recipe. I call it SHACO sauce. Originally it's for shrimp. You know, shrimp tacos, SHACO, so that's what I called it. It's really easy to make. You don't have to do any cooking. Just uses one bowl. You mix everything in the bowl. So we'll just jump into it and hope you enjoy it. 1/2 cup of mayonnaise. We add in 1/2 cup of sour cream, or you could use Greek style yogurt if you prefer. Add 1/2 of a lime's worth of juice. So the key now is we want to mix this up and make sure it's the right consistency before we add all the other ingredients. Making a little bit of a mess here. So what we want is to have kind of a creamy salad dressing sort of consistency. If you look at this, it's going to thicken up. So this, when you add the other ingredients, so this is actually maybe still a little bit thick. So we're going to add some more lime juice to thin it out. If you have the opposite and it were too thin, you can add more sour cream to thicken it up. Okay, since mine was a little too thick, we'll add just a little bit of lime juice at a time and stir it until we get the right consistency. I'll add a little bit more. There we go. Kind of a pourable dressing type consistency. So we're good on that. Now it's time to add all the rest of the ingredients. 1 teaspoon of cumin. Ground cumin, I guess you would say. 1/2 teaspoon of ground coriander. 1 teaspoon of dried dill. I actually like to kind of crush it up in my hands a little bit, just so it's a little bit finer consistency. 1/4 teaspoon of chipotle powder, chipotle chili powder. You can always add more if you like more heat. Here we have 1/2 teaspoon of capers that have been rinsed, and then I put them on a cutting board and use the back of a spoon and just sort of smash them up really good. It's a little bit easier than trying to chop them with a knife. Next we would add 2 cloves of minced garlic, or more. I typically add more, but I like garlic a lot. Today though I have this pre-made garlic paste and I'm just going to use that as a substitute. We're going to call that pretty good. One jalapeno with the seeds and pith removed, diced up into little cubes. Again, if you are a chili head, you can always add more. If you don't like spice a whole lot, this really isn't too much. I'm not really big on spicy things, honestly, and this is about right for me. Lastly, we'll add 2 tablespoons of fresh chopped cilantro. I know a lot of people don't like cilantro, so if you're one of those people, just don't add it. Alright guys, so that is it. Now we just mix it up and we're done. Easy peasy. Sometimes I use a whisk when I'm doing this. It's a little bit easier, but all these leaves and stuff get all caught in your whisk, and then you got to try and get them out. So just whatever works best. And there you have it. Some delicious SHACO sauce for your fish tacos, shrimp tacos, chicken tacos. Never tried it on steak. Might be good, I kind of doubt it. But simple recipe and well worth the effort. Please let me know what you think. Give it a try. Try it on your tacos, and let me know what you think I could do differently to make it better. Appreciate it. Thanks.